Alright, let's take a look at a nice little Zippo today. Now this one arrived in the normal black box, except it does have the hologram. There's a hologram on this. And it is for Assassin's Creed. On the label, it's a genuine Zippo. And the box is semi-collectible. It's got the Assassin's Creed insert. And here is the Assassin's Creed Zippo. It's on a candy apple finish. And this one was made in, looks like, L of 17. So that was at the end of last year. Good stampings. Bradford, PA. Made in USA. Good sound on this one. It's got a steel insert. Fires up nice. Let's do a drop test real quick on this Assassin. See if he can handle being dropped. Okay, so there's the Assassin's Creed passing the drop test, the lit drop test. That's a good one. Now Zippo has not made many Assassin's Creed lighters. I think there's about a half a dozen of them. This is a really good one. This is the brass high polish version. And this is actually an armor. So it's a good one. You can see the armor stamping down there on the right. So there is two good examples of the Assassin's Creed made by Zippo. Definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.